You're probably wondering where I am. Here I am in this small island of absolute dense vegetation. This is one part of the lush garden that we have here in our Urban Mali office, and it's a space that a lot of us visit regularly just to feel completely connected to nature. I'm Vandana from the Urban Mali Network, and today I want to talk a little bit about how light plays a very important role in our gardens. Some of us have balconies that have ample light, some of us have balconies that are a bit shaded. So there is a little bit of smartness that is involved in actually putting in the kind of plants that go into a space with those specific light conditions. Here I am, you see this beautiful hibiscus flower. Now hibiscus loves the sun. Okay, you have 10 hibiscus plants in a balcony that receives a lot of light. And you will see that every plant will probably give you at least 5 to 7 flowers on a daily basis. Yeah, I have a white hibiscus plant at home, and my in-laws don't have to worry about buying flowers from the market to put for their daily puja, because there are these plants that are producing so many flowers every day. We also have some pomegranate trees out here. They're all planted in large pots. We have a mango plant as well, and you must be wondering, oh come on, this mango plant doesn't produce any fruit. But in the last few years, this mango plant has actually produced at least about 5 or 6 totapuri mangoes every single year. So we're hoping that we're going to see some mangoes this year as well. Of course, like I said, there's pomegranate. We also have a small jamu tree here as well. We have an amla plant, we have bananas that are behind that space. A lot of different plants happening here in this undergrowth, and this entire belt is full of hibiscus. So this specific spot produces a lot of flowers and fruits on a regular basis, and it's also just a really pleasant place to be in. If you want to grow flowers, you want to grow fruits and vegetables, a sunny balcony is the perfect place to do it. But on the other hand, if you want to just have foliage, you want to grow say ferns or different philodendrons, do not put them out in the sun. Put them in a shaded spot if you have a shaded spot in your balcony space. Or if you have a shaded balcony, then that's the perfect place to keep all kinds of shaded plants like ferns and then peace lilies, all of the different shade plants, like money plants. They grow perfectly well in shaded balconies. So if you are thinking about starting your own garden in your little balcony, on your terrace, in your front yard, backyard, whatever it is, just look at the light conditions, and then you will be able to figure out the kind of plants that you can grow there. If you want us to help you set up a garden, with sun-loving plants or shade-loving plants, get in touch with us at our number 8804820000. You can also visit our website urbanmali.com. Looking forward to hearing from you.